What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning and you're wondering how my nail is doing, it's doing awesome. I mean, they're looking a little whoa. I filmed a video today of me organizing some stuff and they are just looking super dirty. So you already know I'm gonna do my little routine of acetone in a Ziploc bag with some dryer sheets, and I'm gonna get rid of the layover of the nail glue that I had because I was living my life like a movie star. No, I was living my life on edge, literally, with no layover on my nails because I had this idea in mind, and I do like it. It's just a little, basic. It's just a little too, too simple for me, so we gotta zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm gotta see all 10 of them looking French, then we'll go from there. We have the colors. This is just the white color in Kiss, the Kiss brand. So the pink color, pink French, on my lower part is ASP Quick Dip in Rose Petal Pink. And then I have the clear top coat powder to seal off. And those are the 3 dips that I'll be using today. The well that I'll be using is this one from ASP. So I put the white in the lower part of the dip, and this is where my finger's gonna rest. And I'm just gonna dip half my nail, and you see this little ledge? It like helps you push your whole finger flesh back so you're able to get on the edges, and you can just like kind of turn each way. The other thing that you're gonna need is this scooping tool. I believe this is for your cuticles, and I did get it from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. I'm just gonna scoop and pour over. The first step would be the white powder and then the pink. This is taking forever. Oh my gosh, look at all the dirt. That is so grimy. I can't believe I was organizing without doing my nails. That's why I did it. I had this in mind, like I said, and I knew it was gonna be a mess, so I was just like, if they break, they break, because after this set, after my birthday set, I'm just gonna cut them all down. I did dip all summer, and I'm not gonna lie, it's made me practice like better with the drill. I got pretty decent with the drill, I'm not gonna lie. I probably used it like so far 3 times, and it's comfortable for me. So remember, this is the broken nail. I'm just making sure that I got all that nail glue off. Okay, so this is how my nail is looking. This is the broken nail. So with this broken nail, like, it is broken, like it's cracked. You can see it like up here, but in the front it tears this way, and there's a nail that grows behind it, but then when you look, the nail goes like, and I don't want to lift it because it's on there. It's still on there. I guess you can kind of tell they grow out. Can you tell they grow? See? This line is a stress fracture. I'm gonna say factor. I kept wanting to say factor. It's a stress fracture. It's a stress fracture. And I have quite a bit of them. That's why I wanted to cut them down. It's like, I love them long, don't get me wrong, but also I kind of made the mistake of putting white tips instead of natural tips. So these are the tips that I use. So in my organizing video, the middle one broke. This one broke a few days ago, and I hate that. I practiced the French tip, wow, on the broken nail first. I should have like practiced on my natural one, but even these are kind of like they all look the same. Never mind. Actually, this middle one looks really curved. This one looks straight across. This one looks okay, but the shape is horrible. I love how natural my pointer finger is. I just want to paint it without them bending. I don't apply as much castor oil as I should.
You're fired!
Back to it. So what I'm gonna do is put a layer of nail glue. Try to get all the fuzzes off from the dryer sheet. It's another stress fracture. Jesus. Let me put some glue. To be honest, I'm gonna do another quick layer over of nail glue, let it dry, and then use this glue for the powder. So this is just to harden my nails, because I don't feel like the dip powder is strong enough. Oh my god, dude. What the heck? Goodness. Okay. Can't even put anything right there. What can I put right there? Here we go. A little pillow. It's so cute. Okay. Alright, so that was a thick layover. And what I'm going to quickly do is everything ready. So hurry up. Dip the tip in. Push my flesh back. See, I don't know why it doesn't really go. Oh, I guess I gotta put an angle like that one. Oh, me likes. There you go. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, hurry up, girl. Quickly get that pink and get all. Girl, do not put it to the side and scoop from here and go. Don't go all over the place, because on this one I did make the mistake of, like, I messed it up basically. I just smudged it. So now look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do another layer. Oh my gosh, my natural one, it's just so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna keep dipping and then we'll just see how it turned out. First I'm gonna do my thumb, because when you get to do all your nails and then look at it and be like, yes, and then you notice that your thumb is not done, and then it's just so damn big and ugly.